Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. We are here today to discuss some common points about how to make use of scanner and printer. So let's start with today's topic, that is scanner and printer for class 8th. Now first of all, we'll just see what is a scanner. Now scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages and similar sources for computer editing and display. Now very high resolution scanners are used for scanning for high resolution printing, but lower resolution scanners are adequate for capturing images for computer display. This means कि जो image आप डालते हो स्कैनर में, that same image gets captured and the same image comes on the screen of the computer and you can just do the editing over there. Now if you want to make use of the scanner, you also need some type of connections. Now the first connection is called the parallel port. You can see the image, it's given over here. Now parallel port, it is used connecting through the parallel port. It is the slowest transfer method available. If you make use of this, it is this method is very slow. Next is the SCSI, small computer system interface. Now this may transfer data at the highest speed which both the controller and the device supports. Can see the image. This port is used for the connection. Next is a universal serial bus, USB, जैसे पेन ड्राइव आप यूज़ करते हो, similar type of USB. Now USB scanners combine at good speed, ease of use and affordability in a single package. Next connection is called the FireWire. You can see the image. Now FireWire connections are faster than USB. USB से ये fast होते हैं, SI से भी fast होते हैं. FireWire is ideal for scanning high resolution images, right? Next topic we are just going to see is the quality of a scanner. Quality of a scanner we will just see first of all resolution. Now resolution, what is it? It refers to number of pixels per linear inch or total number of pixels. You can see in the image. Next is the color depth. Next quality is the color depth. Now color depth, it is the amount of information in each pixel. See, in each pixel you can see the color depth in the image. Next quality is the density range, the amount of space available on a disk for recording the images, right? Next thing we are just going to see is how to print a document. Now first of all, you should be well aware what is a printer. Now printer, it is an output device that prints paper documents. Now this includes text documents, images or a combination of both. You might have seen the printer at home. आप सभी के पास घर पर भी होगा. What do? You just take the printout with the help of your printer on a page, and the printout that you print on a page, it is called the hard copy. ठीक है, और हार्ड कॉपी के ज़रिए आप उसकी रीडिंग लेते हो, लर्निंग वर्क करते हो, राइट? नेक्स्ट थिंग, when you want to print on a paper, you have to just see कि you have to keep some points in mind. First of all, orientation point. Now what is orientation? It refers to the amount of space in which the data has to be printed. जो आप पेज पर प्रिंटिंग लेते हो, ठीक है, चाहे आप हॉरिजेंटल मोड में लेते हो चाहे वर्टिकल मोड में लेते हो, that is called orientation. Orientation normally you have in two type, landscape orientation, portrait orientation. You can see in the picture also you have two types of orientation, landscape orientation and portrait orientation. ठीक है, come on the next slide. Now next slide we will just see what is landscape orientation. Now landscape orientation, landscape, it is a mode to print the data in horizontal way. ठीक है, हॉरिजेंटल वे में जब आप डाटा को प्रिंट करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लैंडस्केप ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट और इमेज. जस्ट सी इन द पिक्चर, I have printed over here, it is a orientation, this is in horizontal form. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज पोर्ट्रेट ओरिएंटेशन. ठीक है, पोर्ट्रेट ओरिएंटेशन में what happens कि portrait mode is the orientation of the page that print the image vertically. जब आपने इमेज को वर्टिकली प्रिंट करना होता है अक्रॉस द पेज, ठीक है, दैट कम्स इन पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट सारे कंप्यूटर के जो प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं इट इज़ सेट इन पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म मोड ओनली, ठीक है. जब आप प्रिंटिंग लेते हो द नॉर्मली द डिफ़ॉल्ट प्रिंटिंग ऑलवेज कम्स इन पोर्ट्रेट मोड. अगर लैंडस्केप में चेंज करनी है then you have to change the setup. We'll just see manually also how to do how to make use of the settings. Now next thing we are just going to discuss is the paper size. जब आपने प्रिंटिंग लेनी है, ठीक है, जब प्रिंटिंग लेनी है तो यहाँ पर आपने एक पेपर साइज़ को भी सेट करना है. नॉर्मली जो पेपर आपके पास होता है व्हाट इज़ द साइज़ ऑफ दैट पेपर, नॉर्मली इट इज़ A4 साइज़, ठीक है. Now let's say if you want it in letter size. Letter size में the width of the page should be 8.5 and height should be 11 inches, right? So this way you have to set the paper size also, ठीक है. So this was all about the slides. Now we'll just see this thing manually also. Manually it'll go in Word, ठीक है. Word में हम चले गए. Now let's say I have opened a file. This is the file I have opened. Now I just want to just take the printout of this thing. I'll just click here on print option. Print option में just see here I have the settings over here, letter size, A4 size, legal size, whatever settings मैंने चेंज करनी है. लेट्स से आई वॉन्ट द प्रिंटिंग इन लेटर साइज. आई जस्ट क्लिक हियर, ठीक है. आई जस्ट प्रिंट इट. इफ द प्रिंटर इज अटैच्ड आई क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट ऑप्शन एंड देन द प्रिंटिंग विल कम, ठीक है. क्लियर. देन नेक्स्ट थिंग इज पेज लेआउट में. इफ़ यू आर गॉन पेज लेआउट में यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग द सेटिंग ऑफ पेज सेटअप. पेज सेटअप में आप देख रहे हो कि आपके पास एक पोर्ट्रेट ओरिएंटेशन है और एक लैंडस्केप ओरिएंटेशन है, ठीक है. यहाँ से अगर आपने लैंडस्केप करनी है जस्ट क्लिक ऑन लैंडस्केप. पेपर साइज फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन चेंज. लेटर करनी है लेटर कर लो, A4 करना है A4 कर लो. कैन सी द प्रीव्यू ओवर हियर कि आपको प्रीव्यू दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है. सो जस्ट क्लिक ओके. जस्ट सी द प्रीव्यू ऑफ योर प्रिंटिंग. प्रिंट प्रीव्यू. See your previews, they have shown you it is in landscape form. So this way you can make use of landscape printing. So this was all about the chapter we have discussed.